Hey B.O.M Squad, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are doing a Ross skincare haul. So I went to Ross because one day I was waiting for a reservation. I was going to Juicy Crab and there was an hour wait. So y'all know I ain't got no business spending any more money, but I thought these items were like super cool. So to start off this video, I did wash my face with the Moly cleanser. Y'all know I swear by this stuff, and I went in with my Clarisonic to get a deep clean. I kid you not, I swear by this stuff. So you can find the cleanser on their website at tonymoly.com. So for the first item that I purchased was this 24K gold gel wash off mask. So it was $6.99 at Ross, but the original price is $24.99. so honey, we done saved some dollars. Okay, so it's literally like a gold gel. It's so cool. It feels very cooling on the skin, and it's supposed to leave my skin luminous. It's supposed to firm my skin, and it's also supposed to lift the skin. So it also says that it's supposed to smooth and restore vital moisture while cleansing skin of oil buildup, dirt, dead skin cells, and impurities. So you're supposed to apply a thin layer and then leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. So I needed an extra bit of moisture on my lips because I don't know if y'all can tell, in my videos my lips be looking chapped, but they aren't really chapped. But in this video they was dry as hell. So here I'm just about to wash off my face, and you see how much of a glow that left me? Right. So we're going to move on to the under eye patches. Now these under eye patches were $3.99 and they originally retail for $23. So these are the Daisy Fuentes Retinol under eye patches. So these patches are supposed to prevent the appearance of wrinkles, minimize dark circles, and plump hydration for smoother, softer, brighter eyes. So you're only supposed to leave these on for 15 minutes. It's like a 15-minute under eye treatment. When I tell you these things are so juicy, like you see how much liquid is coming off of them. So you don't have to worry about if it's saturating the skin because it's saturating the skin. So in the earlier clip, you see that they come in individual packets. So they come in a box of 5. So you get 5 pairs of under eye treatments in this one little box. So once the 15 minutes is up, I like to rub in the excess moisture into my skin just for a little bit more of a pick-me-up from the under eye patches. So this particular product I did not get from Ross, but I'm currently using it in my skincare regimen. So I just thought I would add this in here. I actually got this sent to me by Influenster. I have a link and videos on what Influencer is, but this is just a toner, but it's a moisturizing toner, so it doesn't leave your skin dry. It actually moisturizes and tones at the same time. So I'm just taking this on a cotton pad, and it literally picks up the excess dirt from my skin that I don't usually catch when I take off my makeup. So my next Ross purchase is this rose hip oil. Y'all know how much I love facial serums. Now this one was $5.99 and it originally retails for $15, and it comes in a dropper, like medicine dropper type of thing, I guess. So this is supposed to even skin tone, make you look more youthful, and fades the look and appearance of wrinkles. So I always stress the fact that you should always take care of your skin at a young age to prevent further damage to the skin when you get older. So this product was also sent to me from Influenster, and they are both by Lancome. So this is the Hydra Zen Anti-Stress Moisturizing Cream Gel. This kind of reminds me of the Clinique 72-hour Moisturizing Surge Cream Gel, but I find this to be a lot better personally. It keeps my skin hydrated throughout the night, the day. I use this as a primer sometimes. So I hope you guys enjoyed my Ross haul. We saved a lot of money during this trip. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. If you are new to my channel, join the B.O.M.B Squad and hit that bell icon notification so you don't miss out on any videos. But I look forward to seeing y'all in my next tutorial. Bye guys!